So Jeev has not two portions to go. So Jeev has two portions. One is for moksha, one who says, I don't want my attachment, etc. Why? I don't. But you will have a very nice son as per your karma phal. So you have an option. What option? You have very nice two sons. Great son you will have. Never they will trouble you. They will always be with you. And they will say, Daddy, 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 Daddy. Whole day and night they will serve you. They will press one son will press the left leg, other the right leg. Even if pain is not there, they will press that. Because this is your prarabdha. And you will have one nice daughter, she will give you very nice food every day. And wife will be like Apsara. So she is like the damsel. Anywhere that wife will go, she will be the cynosure of all eyes. She'll steal all the eyes. And everybody will say, you are so lucky husband. You're so lucky. Because no, and she will be very good cook also. Her hand will have magic. Acha. So she has combination of everything. She is very good singer also, beautiful also, good cook also, good in talking also, good in dressing also, good in speaking also. Every good because you have done so good actions. Just you missed Swarg by one run. Other, otherwise, you would have. You, but still, because it is there, you will still you will have local Swarg mind. You will have the Swarg which is here. House is wonderful. You are having a rich family you live on. Servant never you have to go and cook. Everything you will say, Ramu, water, yes, sharp, so he will come with the tray. I say, Ramu, get the car ready, the chauffeur will be there in the white dress. You never have to drive, etc. Nice chauffeur will be there, somebody will open the car, you will enter. Somebody will carry your suit briefcase when you go to the office. You will close, somebody will open. This kind of, you will have life. So it's such a wonderful life because you only have done Nachiketa, Agni Upasana or something you have done Karmkand. So you are wonderful. Your sons will follow. Nobody will say Chu also against you. So will the wife fight? What are you talking? Wife will never fight. Never she will say anything. Forget about fighting. She will not be a moody, cranky kind of normal wives like that. So she will never be a kind of complaining wife. No need. She'll be totally pati bhakt. Pati vrata. She will be like pati vrata patni would be there. In her puja room, she will keep your photograph. I have seen some wives. I have seen wives like that. So along with the God, भाई उनकी उपासना हम क्या करें? And they are right also. If they think that God is there, they can see God in the husband. Great. Why? What you have the problem? When she does not have a problem, husband doesn't have a problem. Why you should have a problem? So they keep the photograph and they do worship. Very rare, but it is possible. Well, such a wife you will get. जब कोई बीमारी वगैरह मुझे ना normally before death of course you have to go through some disease, otherwise how will you die? कोई तो बहाना चाहिए. How can you die without disease? कुछ तो हो, heart attack हो, paralysis हो, कुछ तो होना चाहिए. Something should fail, otherwise you won't die. So this person asked Dharmaraj, only one question is there. Can I sit? Please sit. So both sat on the table. Only these things which you are giving, this is forever. He said, no, sorry. Because this much action you have done, so your action will go up to 85 years at the most. बोले this wife will pass away. हाँ, I'm sorry, प्रारब्ध will be over, and because your fruit is over. बोले my son, no, while passing away, you will see that now I'm to leave them. बोले my sorrow will be there or not? बोले sorrow will be there. बोले please cancel everything. This is seeker. Cancel everything. Well, please think once more. You think, if I cancel, you will never get such a kind of wife, and such kind of house, such kind of chauffeur, such kind of car, such kind of cook, some kind of nice food, delicacies. Every day she will make. Well, please cancel it. What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't want it. No, son. See, daughter, you cancel it. Just tell me, fear would be there. Fear would be there. Disease will come. Of course, some flu, if not there, then body is not. Flu is a way of detoxicating the body. So flu will be there. But I don't want. Well, but you have a lot of punya. Well, I don't want. I'm telling you, don't. This is dispassion. The ordinary person can't say no. Then what do you want? Give me satsang and guru so that I can go across the ocean. Put all my punya so that same can be invested for my meditation and sadhana. Are you sure? You will live in some cottage, one room will be there. In ashram, you can't have a luxurious life. Maybe you have to share the room also, especially bathroom. And there you are, a big mansion will be there, other side. Please think, I will get listening or not every day. Yes. I will get the good teacher or not. Yes, you can get. Will I be ever free from my birth and death? You can if you try this direction. I don't want. Sure? Sure? Yes. You want to be totally a meditative life, a devotee's life, chanting Gita, Ramayana every day. Shall I take away your all calm, krodh, etc.? Please take away. I want to serve the teacher and be there. As same punya can't I put for satsang and teacher? Yes, you can. I want to have life with the teacher. Put all that life with the teacher. Okay, you will have 40 years with this great teacher. Make my mind quiet. Okay. Give me sadhan chatushte. Okay, done. Why? My fear will go. Fear will go away. My calm krodh will go away. Go away. No ahankar? No. You have to put some effort. This is a different metal is inside. And for them it is said, Titirshatam Jananam. So tatra ya upadhikritaha samsari vidya vidyavadikritah mokshagamanaaya samsargamanaaya cha tasya tad ubhayagamane sadhano ratha kal. I'm sorry. Kincha bhayashunyam, first line. Titirshyatam tartum ichchitam brahmavidam yat paramashrayam aksharam atmakhyam brahma tatcha gyatum shakimahi shaknuvanta. May I know that Brahman only. Soch lo, Lambs. I've already thought, don't ask again and again. I've already asked, I've already told that. ये आया हीरो एक स्पिरिचुअल वाला ये आया एक हीरो. This is a hero path for heroes. Hero of their mind. You can meditate. Will give me opportunity to meditate. Put me in such an ashram where my parents don't trouble me to do anything for marriage, etc. Give me some teacher from a young age. What age? 3-4 years I should be with the teacher. Okay, done. What else you want? I want regular listening of Vedant. Done. Upanishad, Bhagavad. Done. And I want a place where meditation is there. Done. Regular jap. Done. Puja. Done. So that I get absorbed in that self. Which self? It is the same which you said. Kastam madamadam devam madanyat kyatum arhati anavastheshvavasthitam. That self which is all pervading. I want to be established there. Anyway, congratulations for your choice. You are a Shreyas student, yes. ये छोड़ना आसान नहीं होता. So here it is said, so parapare brahmani karma brahma vidashraya veditavyeti vyakrtah. So this is the second mantra. So this is ritam pibantau. So he is wanting for OC, and earlier one was going for a bigger RC. So one is samsari, who is going up and down. Other is sadhak, who is only going towards the highest. He said, I don't want. Listen, get me some knowledge so that I don't get into new situations, because lot of situations are power packed here. One situation went, another came, another gone, another came. There is a situation after situation, situation after situation, situation after. How long I will go through situation, sliding in situation? And what you want? No situation. Then if you don't want situation, then you have to go out of the karma phal. Okay. And for that you have to go out of this limited I and know that I am OC and you are not RC. Please arrange all these things. This is the seekers. Abhayam param titirshatam. He wants to go across the samsara and wants to be established in the state of fearlessness, which is I. Non-losable I. Well, then what shall I do? Now the Upanishad is now taking through a sadhan now. Okay, this is the 3rd to 9th mantra is Rath Kalpana. One chariot has been imagined. 3rd mantra to 9th mantra. Getting? So don't say why I got this. You have ordered it. Huh? But when I ordered, I did not know. So ignorance is no excuse for your food. A child, if he puts his hand in the hot water and cries, so you cannot say that God, he did not know if water was hot, therefore water should not burn. This is no excuse. Already you have ordered now. Ordered now, then how can I change my order? No, you cannot change the order. You start again. But I want to change my order. No, order already waiter is on your table and you are asking to change the order. Waiter has already prepared the food. You had ordered naan, gobi, and matar paneer, and aloo bhajia, and ice cream. Faluda ice cream you had ordered. And chaat you had ordered. He took so much time to make it in the kitchen. Now he has brought it in your table. Now you will say, have changed it. How is it possible now? Who will take that? Which one? Your plate. Who will take it? Nobody will take, but I want another one. No, you will not get it. Other order you make. This cannot be changed. No, it has come on your table. It cannot be changed. Don't waste my time. But I remember I should fast today. You should have thought earlier before ordering. Food was cooked. Now you have to go. You have to eat it. I don't want it. Then you have to pay another one. Similarly, we order through our thinking. Now the sadhan is mentioned. For some people from the childhood, they are so much involved in the spiritual life. Some are their whole old age goes away, still they have no satsang, no sadhana, no meditation. Only still the question is where my grandson has gone. Still these questions are there. We are going out. Old person says we are going out. Where? We are going to some place. What for? Tirth Yatra. No, not for Tirth Yatra. The sightseeing. How old are you? 89. 89. You will be a sight for others. So better go to Tirth Yatra. Maybe it will be the last Tirth Yatra. And maybe earlier they used to give the body in Tirth Yatra. In Badri Kedar. अब जिंदगी भर सत्संग नहीं, कुछ है ही नहीं पुण्य. Okay, you can see. And even if they by mistake they come, by mistake they land up, mind is not there. क्या करेंगे? सो गए. नो इंक्वायरी, नो भक्ति. क्या करेंगे? क्या करेंगे भाई? अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है. There is no opportunity that they will come. Now, for seeker, 3rd to 9th mantras are very, very important. That is called imagery of the chariot. Very for those who really want to do good sadhana, you should please take these mantras very seriously. Let us read this. Atmanagam rathinam vidhi shariragam rathamevatu buddhim tu sarathim vidhi manah pragrahamevacha indriyani hayanyahu विषयागंस्तेषु गोचरान् आत्मेन्द्रियमनोयुक्तम् भोक्तात्याहुर्मनीषिणः भोक्तेत्याहुर्मनीषिणः आत्मानगं रथिनं विद्धि शरीरगं रथमेव तु बुद्धिं तु सारथिं विद्धि मनः प्रग्रहमेव च इन्द्रियाणि हयान्याहुः विषयागंस्तेषु गोचरान् आत्मेन्द्रियमनोयुक्तम् भोक्तेत्याहुर्मनीषिणः. So, in this particular imagery, if you want to travel, you need a right vehicle to travel. Vehicle and the components associated with the vehicle. That should be very good. If that components in the vehicle is not good, then your travel will be quite bumpy ride you may have, or maybe it can create some accident also. And therefore, if you want to go, please adjust your vehicles. Therefore, those who are singers, they have to sing with this throat. So they take lot of time in setting their voice. All the riyaz, what they do is only to get their spinal cord in proper order. You can make it out this person does riyaz or he is just without riyaz. He is just singing without, just like that. There's some book is there. Just riyaz to karte nahi, tapasya karte nahi. So you can make from the voice also. The voice is quite disciplined and very accurate tone is coming out. The song which people sing. Those they can make it out. You can make it out. That there is a particular this person 2 hours, 3 hours he gives every day. Therefore, he has now cultivated his vehicle, his instrument, he has sharpened it, trimmed it very much. He has उसको ठोका पीटा उसने भी. हाँ ऐसा ही शुरू हो गए. हरि ओम and he started something. प्रयास तो करते नहीं. They don't do proper practice. They don't set their own vocal cord. They don't do that. They have to eat certain things, especially those who play tabla also. Tabla or sitar. Sometimes it bleeds also. So much they do the riyas in that. It starts bleeding. This whole thing, this starts paining. So much they practice it. Then you have the set hand. Otherwise you can make it out like a child. ये कोई रियाज वाज नहीं कर लेकिन चिल्ड्रन neither sound is coming, neither nothing is coming. So everywhere you have to set your instrument. If your instrument are not okay, earlier in our school days we had a fountain pen, not the ball pen, and they had a nib with that nib. So you have to set your nib first by writing properly. When you write for a few days, then that still there is no match to fountain pen. I feel the writing with the fountain pen is really very good. It's a classy writing. It is coming back again with the nib. It has ink. So you have to set your fountain pen. I never used to share mine. Still I don't share my ball pen also. So you have to write. So you have to set your instrument. Make it more sharper, perfect. Because गड़बड़ हो गया तो सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. You will be jammed. So what are the instrument here? So I will first summarize, then I'll go back to the main mantra so that you are ready for that. So instrument, the imagery is that a chariot is there and chariot is going to its goal. So body, one is the body. First instrument is the body, which will be the chariot. Second instrument will be the sense organ, which is compared as the horses. Third instrument will be the mind, which is called reins. Fourth instrument is the driver, buddhi. Buddhi will be the driver. Fifth instrument is the jeev, master. And sixth is not the instrument, but road, marga. How many? 6 things. Out of 6, at least 5 is with you. You have to set it. Again, shall I say? Body, sense organ, mind, intellect, and the master. So, ठीक बोला? Something is missed out. Huh? Road is not an instrument. 5 is there. Road is where the horses will go. Road you cannot make. That is government's area. So you have to set this, fine tune these 6 things, 5 things. बहुत important है. People do lot of mistake in this area, and when this is not okay, you will always. Body should be very fit. Some of you are finding difficulty in sitting. All sadhana is sitting oriented. Puja, jap, havan. You can't say I will move, please hold my havan and we'll walk. So you can't say like that. Well, I can't sit. So I will. You also keep on. You take havan kund and walk like that. And in between, I will also, while walking, I'll do swaha. So you have to sit in the havan. Sometimes they take chair like we have havan here. Havan, they take chair. I mean, elderly people are there. It's fine. It is fine with them. But young people should not use too much of chair. Try to practice yourself. Small, small children. Sometimes we keep chair in the temple for elderly people, above 50 plus. These young children, 7 years, padd se jaake, they will come and sit there and occupy all the place. This practice is not there. The first thing is, we have to tune the body. Sitting is there. Arogyam is the first condition. Therefore, in our scriptures, body is not neglected. Don't pamper it, but don't neglect it, because if body is not okay, your Shravan will not be there, your Manan won't be there, you will lie down on the bed only. So, bedam sharanam mama. So then you lie down. And then you turn from left to right, right to left. This is what you will do then. Or getting up will be a problem. Sthiraihi angaihi stushtvagam sastunubhi. This is the prayer. So body should be well. How the body is well, that is a separate topic. I won't go into the details of that. But bodily habits have to be. Eating time should be fixed. Sleeping time should be fixed. And what you eat should be very, very healthy and light, because you have to do a lot of intellectual work. You have to meditate, do jap. Heavy stomach will not allow you to concentrate on some bigger topic for a long time. You have seen now how much focus is required, how much intellectual work is required. So if stomach is heavy, whole energy goes in the stomach to digest that particular food. Therefore, there should be a body which is ready to meditate, ready to do jap, ready to listen, ready to follow, ready to serve, ready to do long puja, ready to long hours of meditation. Only but it is paining. Then you have to tune it. It is your body. You have to set it right. Nobody else can set it right. You do exercise, you do yoga, you do pranayam, you go to Ramdev, you do anything. But you have to set it. Don't blame the prarabdha. Prarabdha disease is there, we can't help it. But sometimes we spoil our body with our posture, sitting like that. It is not a question mark, it is inverted comma. It is inverted. कुछ भी anything I am eating, any everything. ये सब सीकर होकर नहीं है. युक्त आहार विहार से. Body, आपकी body आपके हाथ में. Sleeping time is sometimes sleeping at 10 o'clock, sometime 1 o'clock, sometime 1:30. Body will not. It is not. Body is tuned for fixed timings, routine. So your body will not demand sleep at a fixed time. So you have spoiled your sleeping habits. All are very serious issues, and if you don't want to listen, you don't listen. It's up to you. Ball is in your court. Only thing body you will say, now it will not get up also. Why? Because it didn't sleep on time. You want to get up, now it is not getting up. Because I have not fixed the time. Okay, it's not that you don't want, you want, but body is not. Well, I can't get up, I slept late. Now tomorrow you will, again in the daytime when you sleep, right? Now you sleep for 2-3 hours in the day. Acha, some are champion. Day also they sleep, night also they sleep. I am marveled. I cannot sleep for 1 hour in the day. 1 hour sleeping unless I have not slept in the flight, etc. 2 hour, 3 hour day, 3 hour, 6 hours, 7 hour night. I can't. If body is not well tuned, you will always find sadhana is different. Your sleeping, eating itself will be troublesome for you. Forget about next sadhana. First stage you will be, sometime you eat this time, sometime you eat that time, sometime eat late, sometime eat early. There is no fixed hunger Food is not. Body respond. Body asks for food. Tune yourself that body asks, this is my breakfast time. This is my lunch time. Body, everything, even your bathing time also body will demand, I want to bathe this time. What to say? Your washroom time also body demands if you set it like that. Your washroom time is not at any time you can go to washroom. You have tuned the body like that. Then the body will demand that. If you have no time, indisciplined, undisciplined, huh? Time, work, place is not fixed. This is called indiscipline. And body is not meant for such kind of. You can see from animals. You can see from plants. All animals go to bed early, unless somebody is owl. Huh? But they all sleep. And all are early risers. All animals, birds, are early risers. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, they are out. Right? No animals eat in the night. Late night, I mean. 1 o'clock, etc., etc. It will be quiet. God has made certain rule. You cannot break it and go for sadhana. Please don't play with God's rule. You can play with human rule. Don't play with God rule. It will break a person, destroy the body. Then again you see the bed and you feel like lying down. But you slept in the night, but I felt like, go and walk, run. Where? Run somewhere on the temple. Don't jog. Run. Get out of the sleep. Splash water on your face. Don't see the bed. Already you sleep for 8 hours, you slept in the night. Again you want to sleep. This life is up to you. By who can force anybody? Sadhana is a very subjective thing. No? If the chariot itself is not good, how can you run with that chariot? Vehicle is not good. Late night dinners are there. TV is there. Friends are there. Maybe spoiled our body. Posture is not okay. We have never made one asana. Siddhi is not. Asana siddhi is not there. Asana siddhi is not there. Asana siddhi, 3 hours able to sit in one asana. So I have told also Siddhasana and Sukhasana, both asana is there. So that is not there. All these things are anti-sadhana body. Like, user-friendly mobile, user-friendly computer. So there should be Vedant-friendly body. Sadhana-friendly body is required. And you have to make it. If I don't make it, first step, आप बैठ ही नहीं पाओगे ध्यान के लिए. You are sitting and your pain will be there. And you'll be thinking when class will get over. Your class is over. Oh. What is problem? Arey, our knee is paining. This knee is both the knees are paining so much. I think in the prasad, instead of prasad pustika, some balm should be given. ट्यून करना पड़ता है. Sadhana life is not easy. If you wanted that, you could have gone to prayers and got some lollipop for few seconds, and after that sorrow for a long time. Then again some lollipop. आज मेरे बेटे की शादी है, तो नाच लो, झूम लो, गा लो, डिग बजा लो, और आज नाच गाना हो गया, ट्रेंड्स आ गए, पकौड़ा पकौड़ी हो गई. थोड़ा सा सज धज लिए, फोटोग्राफर है, टेक फोटोग्राफ. फिर प्रॉब्लम, व्हाई बहू इज नॉट टॉकिंग वेल. फिर अगेन गो टू द सेम फेस. उनके ऐसे होते संसारी का, ऐसे दे विल हैव स्पाइक्स. स्पाइक एंड सॉरो इज देयर. Then again one spike will come, and then sorrow, then little sorrow, then ऐसा होता है. This is sansari's life. तो साधना होता है उसको, he may go little up and down. But he has sadhana with him. He'll meditate more. Well, my mind is disturbed. Let me meditate more. Set this order, set it in order. My sense organ are very indisciplined. Last night it was very indisciplined. So I am going to write today jap. Write jap, because I am not able to do. So 1000 times I am going to write my jap. Continuously, I will not get them. Let me see how this sense organ don't know how to behave well. They misbehaved last night. Only 501 I will give one gap. Stick कर लेता है. One day he'll back. The joy of conquering the sense organ body is very. One day, if you sit like that for 3 hours, you will not know what joy is there. You will be surprised to see so much joy. It is bigger than conquering a kingdom. Yat sukham vitaragasya munere kantavasena na tat sukham surendrasya na tat sukham chakravartina. Even Indra does not have joy which this person has joy. Yat sukham vitaragasya munere kantavasena na tat sukham surendrasya. The Gaudiya Baba was there. He used to sit 12 hours like this. 12 hours like this. And sleep was so much conquered he had the sleep that in 2 hours he used to sleep. And that too is just like so much he had mastered. Thonkna pitna padta hai. Why you not got up? Why? Get up. इतना ठोक थोड़ा सा body को. I'm not saying torture the body, or I'm not saying destroy the body or over discipline the body, but make it so that it is readily available. Do exercise. Therefore, yam niyam asan is the third step. Asan is meant to make the body supple and softer. Why? Because this has become stiff. You know why the pain is there? The muscles have become stiff, and therefore a lot of stretching exercises are. If you see asan, bhujangasan, urshtasan, there's more of stretching exercises. You are doing like that, and there is little pain in that stretching. Our teacher who used to come, Neelam, she used to say, okay, some pain is required while stretching, because that is telling that some muscles are locked, which is being released now. So you make your body, half an hour you give ultimately. Why? So that you can sit and you are free from some yaha pain. When you are cross 50 or 40, pain will start here, pain will start here, pain will start here. That is not body. Ho nahi payega. Listening is difficult. It is an obstacle to my listening. And as you are saying, we have 4 or 5 classes. In a Vedant course also, we had classes like that. And whole life, it will be like that. So make your body fit. This is the first instrument. More we will see in our next class.